Let's look at this question of February 2021. This is the second question. The question is about a car traveling. A car of mass 1400 kg is traveling at a constant speed up a hill inclined at an angle alpha to the horizontal, where sine alpha is such and such. So now few things needs to be underlined, and this is one of them. The mass 1400 kg up a straight hill inclined at alpha to the horizontal. So this is what I'm underlining, where sine alpha is 0.1. And this looks like a question of work, energy, power. Over here, they are talking about constant speed. There is a constant resistive force of magnitude 600 Newton. The power of the car's engine is 22.5 kilowatt, 22,500 watts. Show that the speed of the car is 11.25 meter per second. If you want to, you can draw a small diagram, something like this, and you can say this is a straight hill like this. This is the inclined plane, and you would draw a particle on it, something like this. This is that particular car, and let me draw it again. There is a forward force that is provided by the engine. There are two backward forces. One will be the resistive force and the other would be the weight component. So let's start labeling. So let me make this marker a bit thicker. And this is a forward force. This is power over velocity. So this is 22,500 divided by velocity. That is what we are going to calculate. And this is 0 meter per second square. There is no acceleration because it's traveling at constant speed. There is a resistive force that is of 600 Newton. This angle is alpha. This weight component is acting down, which is mg sine alpha. So since it's not moving up, it's not accelerating. So therefore 22,500 divided by V minus 600 minus 1400 into 10 into sine alpha is equals to mass into acceleration, which is 0. In other words, the upward forces should equal the sum of the downward forces. And when we are going to calculate this, V will come out to be 11.25 meters per second. That is the first part. Let's move to the second part. What does it say? Now it says the car is moving with a speed of 11.25, comes to a section of a hill which is inclined at 2 degrees to the horizontal. So again, another inclined section, but now the angle is different. So now, of course, these diagrams are a bit exaggerated. This is 2 degrees. And it says the power and the resistance force do not change. Find the initial acceleration of the car. So draw a diagram again. And this time I'm drawing this thing. This is the car. There is a forward force upwards. There are two backward forces as usual. This is 22,500 divided by 11.25. This is 600. This one is mg sine theta. That's 1400 into 10 into sine of 2 degrees. And initial acceleration A is what we are looking for. So therefore 22,500 divided by 11.25 minus 600 minus 1400 into 10 into sine of 2 degrees is equals to mass into acceleration. And we do the calculation using a calculator definitely. And this comes out to be 0.651 meter per second square. So that was a basic question regarding, it's not actually about energy as such. It's not about work. It's basically a question about power. And the definition of power is rate of work done. Power is work done divided by time. So since power is force into velocity, which definition have we used? This definition. Therefore, this force is power over velocity.